Alright guys, how you guys doing today? Yes, this particular one is not politics, but about church. There's this pastor we challenge Amoyle Sowore, say in the fit cure people we get stroke. In fact, he challenge Amoyle Sowore, no, not Amoyle Sowore now. A challenge am say if he no fit cure people wey get stroke, he go close down his church. But if he fit cure am, Omoyele Sowore make he no ever contest again as the president to become a president in Nigeria, as a presidential aspirant or candidate. This challenge na very serious one. But the funny part or the good part of this whole challenge now be say Omoyele Sowore have accepted the challenge. Say, oh, okay, I will do this. Before I will take Omoyele Sowore's response, I want you guys to listen to this particular man of God. Now I go call him. I don't know what you go call him. Listen to him.
Believe in miracles. Like I overheard Sowore saying that no pastor can do any miracle. I challenge him that let him bring somebody that has a stroke. Let him use his hand and bring the person. If I pray, but before you bring the person, let them take the person to the hospital and check and find out that the person have a stroke. If I pray and the person stood up and walk forever till he die, let him not talk and make sure, let him not talk again. Let him not. But the dream of becoming president of Nigeria should drop all and become an ordinary person till he die. But if I could not heal the person, let me close this church till Jesus comes. It's a challenge on him. He should use his hand and bring someone that have a stroke or insanity. And all the television stations should be there. I am saying this, we are on live as I'm talking. Don't believe in me, both on Facebook, all the social media, they'll see me as I'm talking to you now, all over the world. I said, Sowore, anywhere you are, this is Prophet Miracle in Port Harcourt. Use your hand. Get someone that has a stroke. BBC, all the whatever should be there. If I could not pray for the person to stand up, let it be the end of this ministry. Whether they branch in America, everywhere should be shut down. But if I am able to pray and the person got healed, he stood up from the stroke stage and started walking. I'm not saying somebody that doesn't have hand. Only God can do that one. I've not tried that one before, to pray and somebody's hand grow out. The one I can do is the one I'm telling you. But let it be that the doctor confirmed that this man has a stroke. If I pray and the man could stand up, the man can stand up and he walk before people, forever till you die. Don't ever talk or appear in any television station. But on Facebook, it's a challenge. And I give you the whole of this match. The whole of this match, this whole match. I think we are in March. From now till on the 4th of April, for you to deliver result. Bring the person. Come with all the television stations. All the television stations to be there. If I, Prophet Miracle, could not pray, let this church be shut down. Nobody should come here to worship God. But if that person stand up and walk before everybody, let it be a shame that all the days of your life they bury you. They should not see you in any television or social media talk anymore. Died in shame forever. And even after your death, remain in shame. Let me tell you, Jesus of yesterday, today, and forever. If you never see power before, you will think that power is my mind. But power is not powder. Power is power. Because every time in this country they try to set men of God up. This was what they did to TB Joshua. You think Ibuko B is the number one? You think he's the number one? If Ibuko B is to arrange any miracle, then he will now bring somebody. The person will measure the state he come from. He will now measure her address. Can't you think? You know that some of these people in the Catholic Church, they are not happy with him. They are not happy with him because the Catholic Church is like a religion center. When you leave, you are in trouble. There are still people that are coming here that Catholic spirit is still in their body. I know them. They have not. That Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us. Amen. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us. Amen. That spirit is still there. They only coming here for solution. If they go to the village, they see God there. That's religion. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us.
And I don't hear him. Not be small thing, no. Not be small raking. Should I say rake or what? Because some of you believe so much in miracle. When I know say now small thing they talk on a matter because when I feel now touch not my anointed, now do my prophet no harm. You know Jesus said in the Bible, Psalm 18 equals to 9 minus 10 that you shall. I understand all that. Everybody believe in God. But Omoyele Sowore have responded and accepted the challenge. Let's take this together. Omoyele Sowore said, this video was brought to my attention by a pastor of Dynamic Flame of Fire TV asking that I get stroke afflicted persons to his church in Port Harcourt, Rivers State for him to heal, after which he said other things. I have accepted the challenge and I would ask the pastor to move his ministry to the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital, UPTH. Stroke ward, particularly the Comprehensive Stroke Care Center, CSC, and clear out the place. My reason being that those in that ward are certified sick and need urgent healing. There is no need for a back and forth. I will be watching his live stream tomorrow to publicize his healing prayers from that word. Shalom. I want to already talk with that. He said, make he carry his church. May you carry the whole church, including all his gullible followers. May all of them go to University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital. In fact, in the area of those people who get stroke ward, may you go there, live stream everybody in that center, in that teaching hospital, in the stroke center, heal all of them on a live stream. Then Omoyele Sowore say he go resign from ever contesting to become a president, and he will never appear again in any television channel, not Arise, not channels, not anywhere. For me, I go join Omoyele Sowore, accept this challenge. If this man can do this, me particularly, on NAIJA Watch Media, I will never appear again. The media will still appear, but I will employ somebody that will not be doing the job. But me particularly, I no go appear for this media again. This is my challenge. If this man can go to that teaching hospital in Port Harcourt, stroke ward, I accept this challenge. At least for once, make we see a true miracle. In Jesus' name. Before that, I go lie, make I heal this man. I go heal him. I go heal him. Make me baptize him.
I baptize you in the name of Jesus. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord. I baptize you in the name of Jesus. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord. I baptize you in the name of Jesus. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord.
All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. NAIJA Watch Media. Like, share our videos. See you guys later on our live broadcast. Take care and bye for now.